To install the AEC work structure, if you're doing it manually and on your local machine, there are a few steps you'll have to do. First, you'll want to, after you've downloaded it, find C ProgramData, and if you don't have that on, go to View and Show Hidden Items so you can get to ProgramData. Then what you'll want to do is unzip the AEC work structure to ProgramData. So just going to drop that in there and unzip it. And once you've unzipped it, then go into the AEC work structure and find the configuration setup.cfg.txt file and make a copy of that. We'll do Control C, and then what you'll do is go down and find the Bentley software. And you'll need to find the configurations for each of the softwares you have loaded. I have MicroStation Connect Edition loaded, configuration, find that folder, and I'm going to paste the configuration setup.cfg.txt in there. Then I'm going to take my old configuration setup.cfg and change it to old. And then I'm going to remove the .txt from configuration setup config.txt. That installs the software, or the work structure. So if we want to test that, I'm going to start MicroStation. And when I get in there, what I should see is a local PC under custom configuration. If you have that, the AEC work structure is installed.